Good morning, guys. I just rolled out of bed and I have a lot of stuff to do. Oh, my back. My daughter's gonna be home next weekend and for Thanksgiving break, so I am, I got stuff to do. I want to make sure that all of my Christmas decorating is done, and I have a lot of videos to pre-film, although I pre-filmed half of them for the week and then I need to film the other videos for the other half coming up. That made no sense. I don't even know if that made sense. Tomorrow I have a chiropractor appointment because I hurt my back. It's getting better, so I don't know what happened. I don't know if I sprained it. I don't know if I pulled a muscle, if I was having muscle spasms. I don't know. It didn't feel like a muscle spasm. Like sometimes I could feel those in my leg, my calf muscles. But I've never experienced any sort of pain like that on my back. It was the most bizarre thing. I was just sitting at my office desk and it was literally just came in like a tidal wave. It didn't take but 30 seconds before it was just a little bit of pain, and then it was like, whew, it was a bunch of pain, and it was mostly up here, and it was also mostly on the right side, this side of my spine. So the first thing I did, as soon as I felt that pain, I called my chiropractor and scheduled an appointment. So he's probably gonna be upset with me. And we're gonna do some vacuuming, some dusting, because I honestly don't go up there and vacuum and dust and do anything. I know it's gross, but I've been so busy downstairs that I haven't done anything up there. But today I have all the stuff downstairs to do. I need to finish filming my Christmas decorations, and let me show you guys. So as you know, I was trying to put these up, and as you can see, the duct tape method was simply not working. It ended up falling down completely, and on all of them, every single one that I put up throughout the house with the duct tape method just did not work. So you guys know that I ordered some clips from Amazon and those are it. However, these clips didn't work either. I actually had to flip them upside down. That's the clip that's supposed to be on top, but I flipped it upside down and then I used E6000 to put it there. And that's not how you're supposed to do it, folks. But I just was like, I don't know how else to do it. I think you're supposed to take this whole thing down to install the brackets. And I was like, okay, I'm not doing all that. So the point is, and as you can see, I literally just got up because I have not even fluffed the house. But the point is, I did that last night so that the E6000 could really set, really bind, and now we're gonna install the crown molding and hopefully it stays. Gonna probably title this my morning routine or something, my daily routine, I don't freaking know. But I've got to get the house into rights. I got to get Loxie outside. I got to get her water, her food, get all the blinds opened, all that stuff. So let's go.
Alarm off.
Please work. Oh my gosh, did that just work? all clean. I'm gonna turn that lamp off for the day, but I wanted to give you guys the exclusive update. You won't see this anywhere else but on my vlog channel whenever I make updates to videos that I've actually put out on my main channel, if that makes sense. So if you don't know, on my main channel, I do all of my decorate with me's, and I'm out of breath because of my asthma thing. But yeah, so whenever I do my decorate with me videos, I always end up saying that if something changes, that will only be seen on my vlog channel. So here you go. So what I changed up were the pillows. Now, before I had that pillow there, I had the one that's in the living room there, and then I had that one in the center, and it was just too busy. There were too many things going on, and I had an extra set of the red pillows. I bought 4 total red pillows, and 2 of them I put in my daughter's room, but I'd actually bought them for my living room. I bought all 4 for the living room, but then I used 2 for my daughter's room, thinking, oh, if I like it in the living room, I'll just go buy 2 more. But then when I set them up in the living room, I did not like it. And I thought, well, now I have 2 extra red pillows, and I put them in here, and I think it looks so much better. I'm not sure about the car pillow being there. I'm still, trying to figure some things out. Maybe we can just kind of put it here for now, but then there's just, I don't know. Do you kind of see what I mean? Ta-da! It's time for our daily haul. I've been doing all of my Christmas shopping for everybody on Amazon. It's like my favorite place ever. So let me show you what I got, even though I think I'm gonna do a video on my main channel for all of this, because my subscribers over there really seem to love these videos. Okay, what should I show you first? I got biotin shampoo, and I actually got this for myself. I do buy things for myself. It's also my birthday and Christmas, and I love treating myself. I just do. I feel like treat yourself, okay? If you get anything out of this video today, go do something for you, because no one's gonna take care of you but you. And I know this is just shampoo, but that's not the point. It got deep here on this Amazon haul. Okay, so this is biotin shampoo for men and women, and the reason why I shopped this was, I think I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw some sort of article about the best, most raved products on Amazon, and they had like a list. And I'm always interested in that, because you guys know, or maybe you don't know, that sometimes I get stumped and I'm like, I don't really know what's out there in Amazon land. And that's another big reason why I do my videos on my main channel, is so that people kind of know what's available. This was on that article list. It's the biotin shampoo, and it did have some really good reviews. And it's a scientific formula, works to improve moisture retention, capacity for increased absorption, and nourishment. So it's a volumizing hair conditioning treatment infused with biotin and collagen, together with silk and keratin, to provide fuller, thicker, and softer hair. Next up, and I'm not gonna unpackage this, so I'll try to throw up a picture if I'm not tired through editing, but this was also on that same article on that list, and it is a lash 3D mascara. Do all kinds of great, amazing things for your lashes, make them look longer and all that stuff. I don't know if it's supposed to make them grow or not, but I got this for my daughter. Her lashes stick straight out, so she usually will go and get them like permed or curled or whatever you call it. I don't know. I thought that maybe she could try this, and I'm gonna put this in either her stocking, or I'm gonna put this in an advent calendar. The next thing I'm super excited about, it is a jewelry box, and it's gorgeous. I'm not gonna take it out of the packaging, but I'll throw up a picture so you can see. It has a glass top so that you can actually see into it. The only thing I will say about this is that it doesn't come with a lock and key. And I decided to get her a jewelry box. It's gorgeous. This specific one also comes in black, but I thought the cream and the gold was perfect. Lovely, it has a bunch of drawers and space for things, and I'm very excited about this gift because, you know, found it on Amazon. I didn't have to go into a store, wait in a line, and I got to look at just a plethora of different jewelry boxes, you know? So it was like, that's the thing about Amazon, is it's almost like you can go into a store filled with that one item you're looking for, like jewelry boxes, you know? You just type in jewelry boxes and then you just see so many to choose from. You know, what store can you go into that's almost like that besides the Container Store? And even then they don't have that much of a variety. But do you know what I'm saying? It's like the mascara. You type in mascara and it's like you go into a mascara superstore and you get your pick of the litter. So anyway, jewelry box. And the last thing is another coloring book. I do color, I just color off screen, but I've actually been eyeing this one. It's been on my wish list for about a year now. It is Country Charm. It's a completely different author or illustrator from the mouse ones. If you watch my videos, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, you're very confused right now. But anyway, I actually ordered another book too. It's a Christmas one, but it hasn't come in. I think it's coming in later today. Some of the shipment was broken up into two. And yeah, isn't that nice? I'm gonna have a lot of fun coloring in here. So this is going under the tree for me. It's the end of the haul, but I have to say, you don't realize how much you use your back in vacuuming until you hurt your back.